I'm starting today by making the base of our soil. A base consists of 3 equal parts. We have peat moss, earthworm castings, and perlite. Now, this peat moss is going to add all the organic matter you need for your soil, as well as it's great for water retention. Next, we're going to add in our perlite. Now, perlite is for the aeration. This is going to give oxygen down to the roots, as well as to the microbes and everything else. Now, this is the life of your soil, your earthworm castings. Now, this is a great soil conditioner, but mostly it's just for the life of the soil. Now that we got these 3, we want to mix them together before adding our amendments. Make sure it's all evenly mixed. Now, when it comes to amendments, also 3 equal parts. We've got crab meal, we've got neem meal, and we've got kelp meal. We're going to start with crab meal. Now, crab meal, you want to use 1 cup per cubic foot. Now, crab meal has a lot of your slow releasing macronutrients that you'll need for the long-term health of your soil, but also contains chitin. Chitin creates an autoimmune system response in the plant that helps fight off fungus and other pests. Next, we're going to be adding your kelp meal. Kelp meal has all the micronutrients that your plant will need to survive, as well as plant growth regulators. We're also using 1 cup of this. And last but not least, neem meal. Neem is also a great soil conditioner right here. Neem is going to give all the pest resistance you need, as well as long-term health of your soil. This helps against fungus gnats and all sorts of pests, really. Now that we got them all in here, you want to mix it up really, really well. You want all your amendments to be equally distributed throughout the soil right here. So we're just going to give it a good mix right here. Now, this is 1 cubic foot of soil, 7.5 gallons. And finally, to set it all off, we just need a little bit of water. Now, you want to water until it comes out of the bottom of your pot. You want to be able to squeeze this soil in your hand right here and get a few drops of water out of it. Wow, you can really smell the neem in there. It's great. Now see, you don't want a bunch of water coming out, just a couple of drops when you squeeze it right there. And that's how you know you got your soil made just right. And there you go. That's how you make a living soil recipe at home, right there.